Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Tracy Ann, your colorist, and my hope is to let you fall in love with the magic of colors. Let's begin. Merry Christmas, everyone, and thank you so much for supporting me throughout the entire year. Supporting the channel, liking, commenting, asking questions, and really enjoying the tutorials that I have prepared, and just going through the experience with me. Thank you so much. I have a gift and I'm going to do unwrapping, and let's see what we have going into our next coloring year. Cute butterfly. I hope you're having a wonderful time off with family and friends, and that everything is going as planned. If not, just keep remembering that every day is a gift, and that if we had one last day, how would we live it? Not to be grumpy or grouchy or having regrets, but to pay attention to the things that are important to us. All right, like coloring. Let's see. Oh, yes, 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 yes. Oh, goodness. Yes. Okay, let me get this out of the way. Yes, goodbye wrapping. I am so over the moon, just happy to get this one. I've always wanted a Debbie McCombers coloring book. I've not had the opportunity to get one, so I am very happy for this one. And it's a Christmas one too. Perfect. So I'm going to do a Christmas piece for the holidays, definitely out of this one. Maybe I'll do a flip through. And I've been eyeing this book for quite some time. I think all the books or everything that she's written has a piece of clip beside it. You know what I mean, a synopsis. And it tells where that story is from. Let's see what we have next. The Night Voyage by Daria Song. Yes, I've seen this floating around too, and I'm very happy to sorry, have a look at it, see what it's all about. It has a story piece going. Smaller details, excuse me, lots more finer details that, than I'm usually used to coloring. Might take me forever, but we'll get to it. And not saying this was my favorite, but I've been eyeing this for a very, very long time. And I finally received it. So it's the mermaids and all the sea creatures. But most of all, what I like about this book, Camellia, I don't know how to pronounce the last name correctly, so I'm going to say Dirico. If I get it wrong, I'm so sorry, I do apologize. I'm saying Camellia. I'll see the first Camellia. And I just like the line art for this. It's just raw, meaning it's just like a sketch. Like if I'm taking out my pen and I'm just going to sketch something and I just put it in the book. So not much filter or correction. It's just like real traditional images, and I do like that. So it kind of is like making a coloring book out of the box, like not staying within the lines, just doing some really rough work, right? But it's adorable rough work, something that I like. So I'm very happy for this book, and I'm a mermaid girl. I like mermaids or mer people or sea creatures, as well as I like plants too. So I'm going to do a flip through of these books, and I also got a bookmarker. This will greatly help me as to, oh, this is $5.49, as to when I'm able to find like which page I want to color first. I'll put it in. It's got a little tag here going with some gems, some beads. It says you have the power to create beautiful things. Yes, I do, and so do you. So just want to remind you that your year may be a difficult one, and you've got lots of ups and downs, and things may not go as planned, but don't give up. Remember, each day is a gift, right? Someone else might be worse off than you are, and that's why I color, because color adds magic to anything. Any plain paper, when you add some color to it, it tells a different story. So I hope your life or your adventures may take you on a different journey and tell a different story than what the eye actually see. Okay, so go beyond your eyes, go by faith, step out, do something that you've never done before, start a new hobby, try new things. I'm just throwing out encouragement here as I'm taking them for myself, and I just want to wish you a very Merry Christmas, and just stick with me as I stick with this journey of coloring and just making magic. I really do like adding colors, adding some magic to pages and inspiring people to do the same. It might invoke a thought, might invoke a pleasant place that you would like to be in. Color is therapy. It is actually a tool or a process that takes you beyond the ordinary. If you should sit down and reflect and think, it develops so many skills in you as a person. It allows you to think, to reflect, to choose, to be precise. Coloring has so many different elements. It's just more than shading and putting colors between lines, or so I'm just saying, do something new, take on a new challenge, push yourself to the next limit. Don't keep yourself in a box. Continue with something that you started. Stick to it at least for 21 days. Yes, the word is out that 21 days is when you actually develop a habit. But take it beyond 21 days. Be resilient. Be passionate about something that will enhance your life, your skill portfolio. Don't give up. When you fail, it's not a means for you to stop. Failure is not the end. Failure is just a process that tells you you can succeed if you take the challenge seriously and tweak it a bit, and push it a little differently in a different direction. So if you don't get the answer that you want now, it doesn't mean that you will never get the answer. It just means that you need to try a little bit harder, think about it in a different way, and never take no or failure for an answer. If it's something that is good, I mean, even if it's something bad, people definitely never take no for an answer. They will go the extra mile. So it's just getting the answer that you desire. Sometimes you have to fight for it. Sometimes you have to just go a bit further than the norm. Get out of your comfort box. So my encouragement to us, including myself, as I'm wanting to grow my channel and to inspire other people as well, is to get out of my comfort box, go a little bit further, do something I've never done before. So I'm encouraging you as I'm encouraging myself. Have a great Christmas. I hope you spend it with families, friends, and making adorable, wonderful memories that you will definitely enjoy for many, many years to come. looking at old pictures, flipping through books, talking with old friends, catching up, and just, making that connection. I hope that that is what is happening for you today and for the rest of your days to come, going forward. And I think I've talked too much. This is the longest I've ever talked on a video. So let's have a quick look through this book, and we'll just probably do a quick flip through, and then I'll do a better one for you with some swatches. So if you ever want to get this book, I surely encourage you to. It is not the regular digital line work. It is just like a regular traditional pencil. Maybe these are digital line work, but this definitely seemed to be traditional. Maybe it's digital, I might be wrong, but the style is more like you're taking a pencil and just literally drawing on a paper. So I consider it to be a traditional artwork, and then these are added in the background as fillers. But I love it just the same. I love it just the same. So thank you, Camellia. I hope others are inspired by this artwork or this type of work, and will definitely purchase your book. Remember to keep things real. Don't overdo things. In your new challenge to come of your new year that you're planning for, don't overdo things, and don't waste time doing things that are unnecessary. Like, value your time and your life, and others will do the same as well. This is a very weird jellyfish. So in my next videos to come, I want to do more swatches as well as blending of I've got ink, colored pencils, watercolors, and a few other medium gouache that I'd like to definitely use more of. I was just decluttering today. Yes, that's a part of my chore for, the new year. When you look into this studio, it's got so many things all over. Because I don't just do coloring, I craft too as well. And I make ornaments, and I just look around and there was so much stuff all over. And I'm like, I don't function too well when there's a lot of loose parts all over, like boxes here and there that's been opened and gone through, and this taken out and misplaced. I don't do well like that. I like a nice clean environment that's open, so it allows me to think. It's almost like having a blank page and you're supposed to fill the page with colors or with artwork. That's how I like to think. So I had to clean it up, clean up my seat, organize things a little bit, and get ready for my new challenge, my new challenge that's coming up, and that is to be consistent. So I'm encouraging you to be consistent in everything you do. Mainly, I'm tongue-tied. One of the main reasons why most people fail is because they're not consistent. And when I say consistent, is not just a month, but like holding on till a year. Because a lot of people are testing stuff just to see if they're actually able to get results from what they're doing, or if it's fruitful. But if it's something that you're passionate about and you want it to bring it to life, it's not a matter of waiting to see if it will be fruitful, but actually making it fruitful. So that's the big difference in knowing if this is something you should do or you should not do. If it's something that's pressing on your mind, your thoughts, and every fiber in your being wants to go forward or go after it, don't just do it for a month and then say, oh, I'm not getting the result, that means you're not that passionate about it. But if you really want it to come to life, then you'll stick to it. Even if you're getting bad results, you'll find a way to make it happen. It's like if you want something bad enough, you'll make it happen. You'll go for it and get it. So that's the big difference in sitting down and waiting to see if something is right, as opposed to something that you want to happen. So I wish you all the best for 2025. And I thank you so much once again for sticking around with me and enjoying the process of coloring and making magic happen. I hope I've done a good job by allowing you to see my demonstration and eventually fall in love with colors. And by doing so, you are relaxed, you're encouraged, and you're able to give the best to yourself and offer value to someone else, because you are also valuable. If that makes sense. Yes. So once you're able to help yourself, you can help someone else. And that's how it goes. So I hope I'm able to help you so you can help others to come. Someone may be inspired by your artwork too. Your color. All right? Your coloring the process. Thank you very much and have a great, great Christmas. Bye.